I felt cleaning snow into a wire that went through my eye socket into my brain, causing a stroke on the right side and cutting the optical nerve in two separate pieces. I didn't see anything for 2 years. I was convalescent for 2 years until the lights came to my sister's attention, and she called me up and she goes like, I think I found the product that's gonna help you recover quickly. I started using the lights 20 minutes every night before I went to bed. Next time I went to the doctor, the MRI showed that my optical nerve had remade. It's been almost 2 years now that I've been using the lights, and my eye is about 70 or 80% back. I strongly recommend the lights. They're really, really good.